today's video we're just going to be creating this look right here. This is from Colourpop. It's a new mood. And here's the eyeshadow palette. It's probably already dirty because I haven't really used it. But if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. It's so heavy. So heavy, you guys. Look at those colors. Oh, they are so vibrant. So vibrant and so beautiful, you guys. Let's see what I can create with this. I'm gonna use this cream color, Bonafide. I'm not sure what's it called. This one right here. I'm just gonna be using that to set my concealer in place and sort of have like a canvas. Let me see what this color looks like. So nice. The shadows are pigmented and very like powdery. Oh, that is strong. I didn't think it was gonna be this pigmented, you see, but it does have a little bit of fallout. So in the pan, this color is beautiful, you guys. Wow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try this one. I'm gonna try that one, and I'm gonna do like a plump. We'll see. Just gonna try that right in the outer edge. I'm using the same brush and just laying the product in there. Slightly blending. Wow, you guys. I love it. So I'm just now gonna bring a smaller brush and I'm gonna grab this color right here. And I'm gonna lay that in here. Wow. And going back to the first shade. Now I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna use this one and this one. First gonna go with this. And then I'm just gonna bring a little bit of this. And just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna bring a little bit of this right in here. And that's more crumbly, so you might want to use your finger maybe. This is glitter. And glitter glue probably will do the trick. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and try to clean up and blend. That looks so pretty. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just gonna be doing an brow highlight and inner corner highlight. I'm just gonna be using this one to see what it does. This just looks beautiful as it is, but I just want to try something else. Let's see, this one, that shadow is like multi-chrome almost, and I'm gonna pop it in here too. I like it. It does change the eye look just a bit, makes it a bit more interesting. So that's it for the eye look, you guys. I'm just gonna put a mascara and a lip and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, and this is how the look turned out to be. I love it so much because it's not too much and it's not too little. It's also noticeable, so I really like the palette. I love the pigmentation of the palette. Seriously, out of this world, and I am never disappointed by Colourpop eyeshadow. Look at this. Look at this. I even used a little glitter right here. This one right here. It's beautiful, you guys. I noticed that there's this one right here, and then down here there's another one. So I'm not bothered by them. It's only 3 and pretty good for what you get. It's very glittery. Look at that. It's very sparkly, so you'll never be disappointed. This one right here, I'll show you guys. This one right here has a very wet texture, like, come on, focus right there. It's a gold and red glitter, but it's like a very wet texture that you would almost never feel like there was chunk of glitter. Like, you can see the chunks, but also there is something in there that makes it squishy. And then this one right here, this one's more like glitter, just like this one. The gold one is definitely chunky glitter in there, but still so pretty. And it's only 3 of them, so it's not like you're getting huge amount of glitter in your palette. And this palette looks so stunning. I'm gonna swatch a couple of them in my arm so you guys could see how beautiful these colors are. For example, let's swatch this teal one, this matte teal, also this other teal. Like, I'm gonna swatch the whole row of teal because it's so pretty. So I'm gonna swatch that. That is more like a topper, but it's so pretty. And this one, look at that. You guys, stunning color. Let me do a better job. Oh my god. And this other one is kind of like a dual chrome with the black base. It's like blue and black. Look at the reflection. There's also some purple in there. Ooh, the reflection is beautiful, you guys. I'm also going to swatch the last teal. It's like very sparkly. Look at that. Ooh, my goodness. So pretty, you guys. So I'm gonna swatch this purple matte. I'm gonna swatch this first one right here. Love Song. It's very nice. This purple. I'm gonna swatch the shimmer in purple. The texture is very soft and very nice, very cushiony. Let's see. Let me swatch this burgundy right here. This color that I use in my eyes. Beautiful. There are so many. I'm also going to swatch this greeny kind of shades. Look at this one. It's like a gold, but it looks green on the pan. And it also has like a red base. Nothing like it does in the pan. Look. This one is that shade I'm swatching. Looks yellowish greenish on the pan, but then looks kind of like reddish in here, but it does turn gold, so it's kind of like that duochrome. And then we have this olive green, and then we have this very grass green, just turning a little teal on my monitor, but it's green. Hopefully you can see it how it truly is. And then the last one I'm going to swatch you guys is this one right here called I want to see how that looks. Oh, this shade is very pretty. Turns gold. And also greenish olive, but with some specks of gold in there. It's a shimmer. And it's pretty. Then this is the brown, darkest of the palette, which all of them are pretty. And lastly, I'm going to swatch this gold right here on top. Oh, so foiled. So there you have it, you guys. Almost swatched all the colors of the palette. And they are stunning. I'm pretty sure there's more videos with swatches out there that you could just look up and see if you are interested. But I do really like the look that I have created today, and I really like the eyeshadow palette. The shadows are just truly stunning. So without any more rambling, you guys, I'm just going to finish up this video, and hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.